Today is Monday, August 2nd. This is the 1965 to 1967 Cadillac DeVille emergency lockout and power switch. This provides electrical continuity on an emergency basis through the battery without the ignition key being enabled to the power windows. Okay, this is the last year, 1967. It was preceded in 66, 65, 64, and 63. And it also has the lockout, which continued after 67 through 68 and thereafter. So in the 1967 emergency power lockout rocker switch, we have the mounting tabs top and bottom to the switch. Okay, so I've gone ahead and connected the unit to power through the power feed pigtail button wire, and I'll go ahead and press the button and we'll see how the light bulb goes on. Okay, go ahead and move it over to the other electrical wire over here. And again, press the button, and the wire comes on, and the light bulb comes on. Okay, and now I'll move the electrical continuity between the front and rear windows, and we see that the light bulb is on constant, meaning that the lockout is not enabled. Okay, and when I go ahead and enable the lockout, it shuts off the continuity between the driver's side and the passenger side, thereby locking out the passenger side windows, or even the rear windows, from activating and playing with the switch. Sometimes it's referred to as the kiddie lockout, because you don't want the children playing with the power windows. Okay, as in back in the day, opening and closing a window with a power button was a very unique thing that the children loved to do. So General Motors developed a lockout button, which cuts the electrical continuity from the driver's side to the passenger side, as indicative of the position that we're in now. If I release this position, the light bulb comes on. Okay, so this is for my friend Devon, and I'll be sending it out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970, over 375,000 original vintage 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the power seat mechanisms, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, and other critical, hard to find original vintage Cadillac items. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida. Today is Monday 2nd. Thank you.